All dear customers, our shipment has arrived, contain of 100 units Dodge Ram 5500. We are in progress of clearance and delivery for our customer. If you have inquiry of the same vehicle, you can contact us. We can arrange different kind of trucks such as Ford F550 and Dodge Ram 5500 in quantities. Monthly we have our special orders from many manufacturers in USA and Canada. We take short video showing you the whole quantity we have received. Of course, all cars diesel engine, 6.7 turbocharged, 10-speed transmission, 4x4. It's equipped with payload package to handle all kind of modifications and to match requirements of all convergent industries. Please contact me if you have inquiries for the same vehicles. I'll try my best to arrange your requirements. Even for different cars, but only for dealers and business owners. I don't supply for individuals. You will come all.